did researchers find updated law before the internet? And what if I work for an organization that doesn't have access to some electronic tools? A physical book is in some ways a nice piece of technology to transmit information. It is durable, it doesn't require a power source, and it doesn't have licenses or digital rights management that restrict its use. But a book also has a drawback. Once printed, that content remains static even when the subject matter changes. Book printers have two major ways of adding or changing content, the pocket part and the loose leaf. First, let's look at pocket parts. A book with a pocket part is created with a literal pocket in the back cover. The publisher can then produce an update to the main content on a periodic basis and send it to the owners of the volume as a pocket part for insertion. Pocket parts are also sometimes called cumulative supplements. How does a researcher work with a pocket part? Well, first read the original section in the main part of the book. Then look to see if there's a corresponding update in the pocket part. You should also double-check the index in the pocket part to make sure there are no other sections that are entirely new to the publication. What about loose leaves? Loose leaf volumes are essentially ring binders with pages that can be removed and replaced. In some ways they are easier to use than pocket parts because you don't generally have to check separate sections to update them. In the front, you can see the filing information, which contains the instructions about which parts were removed, replaced, or supplemented. You can find out how frequently a loose leaf is updated by consulting the filing instructions. Because only selected sections are replaced, various chapters or even pages may have different copyright dates, and the index may send you to a section number rather than a page number. Portions may be intentionally left blank by the publisher to leave room for future expansion. One last point. This volume is a loose leaf service, but it also has a cumulative supplement, similar to a pocket part, at the back. Be sure to carefully examine any instructions at the front of the volume, as they can often help you to use a particular resource more effectively. If you need help understanding a type of resource, please be sure to ask a librarian for assistance.